Hey everyone, check out the TAYESHA 2x6 HD lace closure with 3 bundles of 14, 16, and 18-inch body wave Brazilian virgin hair in natural color. These unprocessed virgin hair bundles are soft, smooth, and perfect for ironing, curling, dyeing, or bleaching to match your style. Each bundle is 12A quality with double wefts that are neat, thick, and full, ensuring no shedding or tangles. The 2x6 HD lace closure is pre-plucked with baby hair, melts seamlessly into any skin tone, and offers a natural middle part hairline. Weighing around 95 grams per bundle, these bundles provide a true-to-length, bouncy, and full look. Ideal for quick weave or sew-in styles, they're perfect for birthdays, weddings, parties, or any special occasion. Experience long, wavy hair with a flawless, natural finish that looks and feels like your own. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.